Grace, what are you doing?
I'm removing the what? Unwanted stuffs. The light one. And remain with good rice, of course.
Cleaning the rice. And the chickens can eat the bad rice.
Yes, thank you. This is called the ungo.
Okay.
The ungo is very popular in Tanzania. Almost every family has it.
Now we added onion.
We are adding onion. This is the main ingredients also when we cook pilau, apart from rice.
How long does it take to get brown usually?
Like 5 minutes.
Okay.
Depending on the heat. Strong heat, 5 minutes. Now we add ginger and garlic that we have grinded using mortar and pestle. So we don't add ginger and garlic very early because it has a tendency to stuck at the bottom. So that's why we add the onion, then ginger and garlic. Then we stir till it becomes brown. Yeah, so now we put pilau masala. Which is the mixture of different spices. We have the cumin seeds and we have the cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper and cloves. So together we fry a little bit and then we grind. You can grind any way you use in your home, but we use our mortar and pestle, and then this makes the very good smell and good flavor. Meat time. So today we use beef, cow meat, but you can use the favorite meat, your favorite one. And for those who don't need meat or they don't use meat or they are vegetarian, they can add like types of the peas, it is okay. Yeah, so not must meat, but for pilau to be really good pilau, addition of meat is something for us. Yeah. Our water has boiled enough to put rice in it. So today we are cooking 6 kilograms.
Maji kidogo. Mkorogo.
Sio na sasa. Ngaweka yote ingekuwa mengi bado.
Labda tu ya kuongeza kidogo.
And this helps it cook faster?
This one helps to balance the moisture.
Oh.
Yes, because we don't have like something up and like oven. So this is like our local oven. But you don't have to cook at the oven in your place. You just cook like the way you cook rice.
Yeah.
But for us, we don't need a lot of fire up down because it will easily burn. So because it is not ready, then we transfer the fire up to make it finish the cooking and balance the moisture. Yeah.
What are you? What's in here?
This is cabbage.
Cabbage.
So it's mixed with carrot, small carrots.
It's ready now?
Yes, you can taste it.
Okay. It's hot. It's good though. That heat brought out the flavor very nicely.
So we put this round pepper in this mixture of tomato and cucumbers.
Harrison, unamtea.
Looking beautiful.
Yes.